95 Libyan nationals charged with contravening South Africa's Immigration Act are back in the White River Magistrate's Court in Mpumalanga today. SABC News reporter Tumelo Machogo is following the court proceedings and joins us live. Good afternoon, Tumelo. Take us through what happened in court this morning.
Well, indeed, the 95 men actually appeared in court here just behind me. The court now has just been postponed. The case has now been postponed to the 26th of August for further investigation. But also new the lawyers representing actually the 95 men actually appeared in court. And also, you remember that the last time they did not have a lawyer, and also did not have like an Arabic interpreter. So today they did have like Arabic speaking interpreter, and also have their lawyer. Their lawyers was also in court, actually representing them in court. So the lawyers also with the prosecution have agreed that now we are not allowed as the media to show the faces of the men that have been accused of the contravening the Immigration Act. But their lawyers have also asked the court to actually ensure that the men are being kept at the Nelspruit prison, not at the Barberton prison. We remember that they were kept, actually 91 of them, they were kept at the Barberton prison, and then 4 of them were kept at the White River police station. So they've asked that the men be kept at the Nelspruit prison, not at the Barberton prison. The lawyers also asking the magistrate and also the state to not deport the men until their next appearance. The men, they're quite angry actually. They're just like speaking behind me here. They're quite angry. It seems like they're not agreeing with what the magistrate has said. The state also has agreed that the matter is actually fine, that can be postponed, and also saying that the men won't be deported until their next court appearance, because they want this matter to be investigated, and also for the prosecution to actually take place. So that's why they're saying that they do not have a problem with the case being postponed to the 26th of August for that further investigation. You remember that the police saying that they are still investigating this matter further. So that's why the case has now been postponed to the 26th of August. But also the state, the defense asking the state and the magistrate to request that the men be moved from Barberton to actually get closer to the Nelspruit correctional services. The men, they're quite angry at this stage. They are actually quite angry. Now they're going to be taken into the buses that have been transporting them. These are the 95 men that appeared in court this morning. The case now being postponed to the 26th of August. So now they're going to be taken back to now Nelspruit prison, not the Barberton prison.
Tumelo, perhaps you can give me a sense as to why they want to be at the Nelspruit Correctional Service as opposed to Barberton. Is it a space issue? Is it an issue around treatment? What exactly is behind the want to move?
Well, the lawyers, they actually didn't want to say much about why they wanted to be moved, but you can think the Barberton is actually quite far for these men to be traveling to a Nelspruit prison, because Barberton is the only prison, is only like the next area that has actually a prison, and also the Nelspruit prison. They're quite. I'm just going to ask my camera lady just to actually focus on that, because these men, they're quite angry. It's just quite they, even when the magistrate was actually handing out his judgment saying that the matter is being postponed, they were not quite happy with that. They were actually started chanting something in Arabic. We don't know what they were chanting. Now they've been asking the media, they're actually pointing at the cameras and also some of the media houses saying that they should stop shooting. So you can imagine they're quite angry with what has happened in court. They likely want to actually be taken out. Maybe that's why maybe the treatment what they're getting in the Barberton prison. That's why they're being asked to move to the Nelspruit prison. We did wanted to speak to the lawyers representing them. He did say he will consult with his fam if he is allowed to speak to the media. But we are waiting for him to actually to come back to us and just let us know if he will be able to speak to us. But the men behind me, they're not very happy this afternoon.
Tumelo, thank you so much for that update. That is Tumelo Machogo, who is crossing to us live from the court in Mpumalanga.